The Hewlett-Packard Company, Packard or HP, was an American multinational information technology company headquartered in Palo Alto, California. HP developed and provided a wide variety of hardware components, as well as software and related services to consumers, small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, and large enterprises, including customers in the government, health, and education sectors. The company was founded in a one-car garage in Palo Alto by Bill Hewlett and David Packard in 1939, and initially produced a line of electronic test and measurement equipment. The HP garage at 367 Addison Avenue is now designated an official California historical landmark, and is marked with a plaque calling it the birthplace of Silicon Valley. The company won its first big contract in 1938 to provide test and measurement instruments for Walt Disney's production of the animated film Fantasia, which allowed Hewlett and Packard to formally establish the Hewlett-Packard Company on July 2, 1939. The company grew into a multinational corporation widely respected for its products. HP was the world's leading PC manufacturer from 2007 until the second quarter of 2013, when Lenovo moved ahead of HP. HP specialized in developing and manufacturing computing, data storage, and networking hardware, designing software, and delivering services. Major product lines included personal computing devices, enterprise and industry standard servers, related storage devices, networking products, software, and a range of printers and other imaging products. The company directly marketed its products to households, small to medium-sized businesses and enterprises, as well as via online distribution, consumer electronics and office supply retailers, software partners, and major technology vendors. It also offered services and a consulting business for its products and partner products. In 1999, HP spun off its electronic and bioanalytical test and measurement instruments business into Agilent Technologies. HP retained focus on its later products, including computers and printers. It merged with Compaq in 2002, and acquired Electronic Data Systems in 2008, which led to combined revenues of $118.4 billion that year and a Fortune 500 ranking of 9 in 2009. In November 2009, HP announced its acquisition of 3Com, and closed the deal on April 12, 2010. On April 28, 2010, HP announced its buyout of Palm Incorporated for $1.2 billion. On September 2, 2010, HP won its bidding war for 3PAR with a $33 a share offer, $2.07 billion, which Dell declined to match. On November 1, 2015, the company spun off its enterprise products and services business Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. HP retained the personal computer and printer businesses and was renamed HP Incorporated.